Gentlemen of AI culture, on this channel we only care about two things, pretty AI girls and big bank accounts. So let me start your day off right with the AI models of the day. Her Instagram handle is right here across the screen. Now let us get into the financial tip of the day. Did you know that one can make money using stock photography by uploading high-quality images of everyday objects, people, and landscapes to websites such as Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock? The more images approved and downloaded, the higher the earning potential. For example, a popular image can earn 25 cents to $30 each time it is downloaded. A photographer can earn between $50 and $500 per week, depending on the number and quality of the images added to the marketplace. Do what you want with that information, make sure you like for the algorithm and make sure you subscribe for the AI culture.